Hey guys, it's Jayson from Mount Gravatt Mazda. Welcome back for another episode of Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to actually customize a few items on your Apple CarPlay. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can actually customize some of the icons on your Apple CarPlay. And as you can see here, there are a few that I probably don't use while I'm driving. So what you can do on your phone, go to your settings, up in search, just type in CarPlay. This will take you straight to the CarPlay settings. Find the car that you're in, and we're just going to go home screen icons, and you can see everything here that's now showing up on the Apple CarPlay. And I'm going to just delete the ones that I don't want to use, and I can even move it around. So Waze is my GPS. I'm going to move that to the front page, and as you can see, it has now adjusted onto the Apple CarPlay front page. So I can move things around as I want to, just to get it all exactly how I want to set up. Now with this, it will remember per car. So if you've got a work car and a family car, you can have this customized separately per car. Thanks guys for tuning in to Tips and Tricks Tuesdays. We'll see you next time.